Okay, so today I've actually partnered with the National PTA to bring you the Ultimate Assembly. That's why it's called the Ultimate Assembly. So the focus of today's live for the majority of the time is going to focus on how has being a teacher and a parent influenced my view on internet safety. So I just want to talk about like safety and well-being and staying safe and health, and not just like not health like your health, but also just like your mental health as well, because we all know that social media can like drive you crazy, right? So you guys can ask questions and I'll try to answer them, but I just like want to address a few things. So the first thing that I want to talk about is just like how has being a parent affected like how I view internet safety, right? So like I have an 11-year-old and a 9-year-old, and they have two favorite things that they do. My 11-year-old absolutely loves Discord and TikTok, but she doesn't get on here very much. And my 9-year-old loves Fortnite. So both of those two platforms have really like kind of caused me a little bit of headaches, just because I'm sure you know that, I don't know, kids can be mean and you just never know who you're talking to. So my experience as a parent has just been like trying to make sure that they're doing what they're supposed to be doing. And luckily, like I can look at my daughter's Discord and like read what she's saying, or I can listen to what AJ is saying because he's super loud when he's on his headset. So that's kind of yeah, my experience like as a parent. And then of course with TikTok, I try to monitor what they're doing. He's not like, his For You page is crazy. So I need to get better at somehow like filtering that. But I know that TikTok does offer a few different options for your parents. I don't know if there are parents on here that can help with that. And I'm definitely going to start using them because these are actually new to me. So let's talk about them. So there's actually something called family pairing, where your parent can like link the accounts together, which seems absurd. I know, especially for some of you that are like older, but that for me would be like an ideal option, for instance, for AJ, who like tries to talk to everyone and interact with just like complete strangers on here, which brings me to the next thing is how you can like, the direct messaging, you can manage who direct messages. I obviously know that because I have my direct messaging turned off completely, but I can filter who he's talking to and also who is talking to him. Another thing that you can manage on here, which maybe I need to start to trying to do, is called screen management. So I don't know if you guys knew this, but there's an option on TikTok where you can manage your time so you're not on here like for a ridiculous amount of time, like most of us probably are. I feel like I've gotten a little bit better actually, but yeah, so you can definitely do that as well. You can like, your parents can, and you can set a time limit for how long you can spend on this app. And I know like the iPhone obviously has something like that too, because I tried to do that for my daughter in Discord, and it just like didn't work out as well as I thought it should. She's like, oh, it asked the iPhone app one. She was like, oh, it asked me if I wanted more time. And I said yes. So obviously I like didn't do it right. But yeah, you can do that through actual TikTok, not just on your iPhone.